What's the meaning of Caerphilly? Caerphilly. Caerphilly.
Caerphilly. Caerphilly. Caerphilly is a Welsh name that refers to both a town and a type of cheese. The town of Caerphilly is located in South Wales and is known for its 13th-century castle, which is the largest in Wales. The town's name comes from the Welsh words Caer meaning fortress, and Filly referring to a nearby river. Caerphilly therefore means fortress on the River Filly. The Caerphilly cheese, on the other hand, is a crumbly white cheese that also originated from Wales. It has a mild and slightly salty flavor and is often used in dishes such as cheese scones and Welsh rarebit. The cheese is made using cow's milk and has a distinctive rind that is usually coated with a fine white powder. Overall, Caerphilly holds significant cultural and culinary importance in Wales.